Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you've decided that it's time to take a step back from Facebook, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process of deactivating your Facebook account in 2024 step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, you should know that deactivating your Facebook account is temporary. This means you can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account. Tap on the three horizontal lines that you can see at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find settings. Tap on it. Now tap on see more in account center. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. Since we're focusing on deactivating your account, click on deactivate account and then continue it. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully deactivated your Facebook account. Remember, you can activate your account at any time by simply logging back in.